Have you ever gazed at those breathtaking images from space, the ones filled with vibrant, swirling clouds of cosmic dust and gas? They look like giant celestial paintings, don't they? We call them nebulae, and they are some of the most stunning objects in the entire universe. But have you ever wondered what you would actually see if you were right there, floating inside one? The answer might surprise you. Let's start with what a nebula actually is. The word nebula is Latin for cloud, and that's a pretty good description. They are enormous interstellar clouds of dust, hydrogen, helium, and other ionized gases. But here's the first misconception we need to clear up. Despite their dense appearance in photos, nebulae are incredibly diffuse. The vacuum we can create in labs on Earth is actually denser than the gas inside a typical nebula. You could fly a spaceship right through one and barely notice you were in it. It would feel emptier than the emptiest place on our planet. So, where do those spectacular colors come from? Those images from telescopes like Hubble aren't exactly what your eyes would see. They are composite images, often combining data from different wavelengths of light, including infrared and ultraviolet, which are invisible to us. Scientists assign different colors red, green, blue to these different wavelengths to reveal the chemical composition and structure of the nebula. For example, red often represents hydrogen, green might be oxygen, and blue could be helium. It's a form of scientific art that helps us understand the physics happening light years away. If you were actually inside a nebula, the view would be far more subtle. Imagine being in a very, very light fog. You might see a faint, ghostly glow around you, and the stars in the distance would appear slightly hazy, perhaps with a reddish tint. You wouldn't be surrounded by a kaleidoscope of brilliant colors. The spectacle is created by the immense scale of the nebula and the powerful radiation from nearby stars causing the gas to glow, a process similar to how a neon sign works. But because the gas is so spread out, the light is incredibly faint to the naked eye up close. But don't be disappointed. Nebulae are still mind-blowingly cool. They are the cosmic nurseries of the universe, the birthplaces of stars and planets. Within these vast clouds, gravity slowly pulls clumps of gas and dust together. As these clumps grow denser and hotter, a protostar ignites at the center and a new star is born. Our own sun and solar system were formed from a nebula just like this, about 4.6 billion years ago. So, in a very real sense, we are all made of star stuff, born from an ancient cosmic cloud. Nebulae also mark the end of a star's life. When a star like our Sun runs out of fuel, it sheds its outer layers, creating a beautiful, expanding shell of gas called a planetary nebula. And when a massive star dies, it explodes in a supernova, blasting its material out into space to form a supernova remnant, another type of nebula. This material then gets recycled, providing the raw ingredients for the next generation of stars and planets. It's the ultimate cosmic circle of life. So, while you might not see a cosmic rainbow if you visited a nebula, you'd be floating through the very place where stars are born and die. You'd be witnessing the grand slow motion cycle of creation and renewal that has shaped our entire universe. And that, I think, is even more beautiful than any picture. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the heart of the cosmos. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of space. See you next time.